you? I hope you all are fine. Kids, I am back with another interesting topic. Today, we are going to learn about letters. See kids, we have so many letters. What letters shall we learn today? Any guess? No? Let's find out now. Before this, kids, let me ask you one question. Which is English first letter? Guess? Think? Think? No? It's okay. Kids, I have something in my hand. Guess? No? It's coming out. It's moving out. Guess? No? Okay. Let me open my hand. Wow! Can you guess which letter is this? Yes! This is letter A. This is letter A. A makes sound A. A makes sound A. Come on kids, repeat after me. A makes sound A. A makes sound A. Good job. Now I am going to place this letter over here. Letter A is looking so cool. Now we are going to learn about things or objects related to letter A. So let's start. A is for an apple. A is for an apple. A is for an ant. A is for an ant. A is for an anchor. A is for an anchor. A is for an aeroplane. A is for an aeroplane. A is for an alligator. A is for an alligator.